Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2018 Harley Davidson Ultra Limited, and this is in Wicked Red and Twisted Cherry. We have dual disc brakes up in the front. We also have ABS front and rear. Highway pegs so you can stretch out. All the chrome on the engine is beautiful, and we've got that 107 Milwaukee 8 cubic inch engine. Tour pack has a luggage rack on it. We have the passenger backrest with speakers integrated. We also have floorboards for the passenger and the rider, and we have the heel toe shifter as well. Beautiful bike, really well maintained, and miles are pretty low. We're at 10,800. Again, it's a 2008 Ultra Limited. Come check it out. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.